easier and manage COPD symptoms at home. Did you know that with just 5 minutes each day, you can strengthen your lungs enough to manage COPD? Thanks to Life Wellness Healthcare, the innovative AirPhysio device is available across the USA. This OPE device uses oscillating positive expiratory pressure to directly target mucus buildup. For most people, around 5 minutes of use per day will be enough to see noticeable improvement. Check out the link in the description for more info.